In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two documents into one in Canva. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to bring pages from one design into another using Canva's grid view, without losing formatting or layout. First, have both Canva documents open in your browser. It's easiest if each design is in its own tab so you can switch back and forth quickly. Think of one as your main document and the other as the source you'll be copying from. Having them both ready keeps your workflow smooth and helps prevent copying into the wrong file. Go to your main document and open Grid View. You'll find the Grid View icon at the bottom right of the editor. It looks like a little grid and shows you all your pages at a glance. This view is perfect for merging because you can see the full page order and exactly where new pages will land. If your document is long, Grid View also makes it easy to scroll and find the spot where you want the new content to appear. Now switch to the other tab with the document you are copying from. Open Grid View here as well so you can select the exact pages you want. Click a page thumbnail to select it. To grab multiple pages, hold Shift to select a range, or hold Control on Windows, or Command on Mac to pick non-fake consecutive pages. Once your pages are selected, copy them. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Copying from Grid View ensures you bring over the entire page, including layouts, text, images, and most design elements. If a font or asset isn't available in the destination document, Canva may substitute it, but the structure will remain intact. Return to the main document's grid view and paste. Use Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac, or right-click and select Paste. The pages will appear in the grid, typically after the page you had selected or at the end of the document. From here, you can drag and drop the thumbnails to reorder them so everything flows the way you want. If your two documents use different page sizes or margins, review the pasted pages to confirm everything looks consistent. Minor adjustments like nudging elements or aligning headings can help maintain a unified style. Canva autosaves as you work, so your combined document is preserved without extra steps. Give the pages a quick scan in the editor view to confirm animations, links, and images carried over as expected. That's all there is to it. You've successfully combined two documents into one in Canva. Thanks for watching.